everyone, it's Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd. Guess what? I paid absolutely nothing for this kit, and let me tell you why. So I ordered two kits, two Diamond Art Club kits from Joann's, and my the rest of my Joann's order arrived. My Diamond Art Club kits weren't in the same box. These took about a week longer to arrive, and when I opened the box, I was a bit confused because I had my Literate Dragon, the Randall Spangler one, I had my the Serafina one, and I also had this one in there, and I was a bit confused and I don't remember ordering it. And so I went back onto my invoice and I checked, and this wasn't on the invoice. So I thought, okay, this is a bit odd. And I know some companies, sometimes they might fairy dust something as an extra or a free gift, but I wanted to double check before kind of accepting it in case it was some sort of error. So I reached out to Diamond Art Club on Instagram and I explained that I had this extra kit in with my order. I hadn't ordered it. Was it just a mistake, or was it a fairy dust? And they said, we're just the social media people, so please email this address. So I emailed, and they asked me for the details, the order details initially, and then they emailed me back quite quickly and they said, don't worry about that because it was actually done through Joann's, so we don't have any details about it. So despite the fact that this was packaged, by the looks of things, by Diamond Art Club, because it came in a Diamond Art Club branded box, and it came separately, so I assumed they'd sent it. So they said, nope, we don't know why it's in there. It's down to Joann's. So I'm trying to do the honest thing here by saying, hey, you know, I've got an extra kit. They're not, you know, we're not talking a couple of pounds or a couple of dollars. So I'm trying to do the right thing here. And then so I emailed Joann's and I haven't received any response. So I'm accepting it as a free Diamond Art Club kit. So I'm going to go ahead. It's been sat here for a few weeks whilst all of this has been going on. I'm going to go ahead and accept it. So thank you very much to Joann's and Diamond Art Club for whatever mistake was made, but I would assume it probably cost him a fair bit for me to ship it back anyway to the US. So yeah, so I'm taking it. So thank you very much for my free Diamond Art Club kit. So let's get this unboxed. Oh, sorry, first of all, this kit is called Dreamer, and it's another one by Mika Jelena, I'm not too sure on how to pronounce the name. It's a round one, and it is 22 by 30 inches, which is 56 by 76. So let's get this one out of the box. And I've not actually seen this one on any video, so it'll be interesting to see what this one looks like. Make sure I've got everything out of the box. Okay, so we have our toolkit. So this is interesting. So the last three unboxings that I've done, they've all come with the old toolkits. So perhaps if you order from Joann's, well, certainly from Joann's, all three of them have been the older toolkit. So that's just a bit of information for you in case it makes any difference. We've got the square sticker on there for this kit as well. So let's get this bag open and let's take a look. So which way is this going to be going? This way, I assume, maybe. This is going to be lovely and colourful. Oh my goodness me, look at that. Again, we're not going to be able to get this all in shot, but we have the girl with her paint palette, and the colours in this, I think, are just going to be incredible. I mean, you can tell from the image how colourful this one's going to be. A lovely yellow to orange background. She's got, it looks like she might have dreadlocks in her hair as well, and she's got like a colourful bandana going across her hair. She's got, randomly, she's got green lips, so it's a little odd colouring in terms of that, but oh, she's got lovely purple eyeshadow. But I'm really excited actually to accept this free kit and do it. So let's have a little look. So standard or again, one of the older instruction booklets by the looks of things. So we have the sticker sheet here. So we have 47 colours in this one. And we have in that, we've got 4 ABs in this one. So those should be, that should be good. So let's take a look at the drills. Now I'm spotting a lot of, oh yeah, see, I think, isn't this the old 310 symbol? The white with the black dot in the middle. So I think this is an old kit by the looks of things. And even the drills feel, I don't know, they feel old or a little different, or I don't know. They just feel, I'm not sure how I feel about, I don't know, they just feel weird. Okay. I'll take a look anyway because I want to find those ABs. So we're looking for 4 ABs in this. So we are looking for a grey, a yellow, a red and a blue. Let's do the 310 check. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 310s. That's not good news, is it? But let's have a look at, oh, okay, so here is one of the ABs, that orange AB there. Then we've got this must be is this the pink or the, yeah, so this is actually quite a lot of ABs in this as well by the looks of things. So this is the orange AB is 3. Yeah, the orange AB, the pinky, kind of light pinky purple AB there. I'm trying to keep these together just so they're easier to put back in the pack. Then we have, let's see if we can spot the other ABs. We're looking for a yellow and a blue. Can we see any other ABs twinkling away? Can't see them. It's an orange and a red. Oh, I see the blue over here. So the blue is right here. Really lovely turquoisey blue there. And then just looking for that yellow. Ah, she's here. We have a really soft yellow AB. There's not many of those. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at where these ABs are going to live. Let's just move those drills out of the way. I can't be dealing with the rustling. The rustling even annoys me. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we've got a lot of the ones in here. So this is her kind of, she's kind of like a little bit of an alien painter, because she's got like a purpley skin. So that's the AB. So all of her, no, not all of her skin, sorry. The neck part, the upper neck part, and also all the way around her face and around and inside her glasses is that purple AB. So that should be quite fun. And there's a bit further down in her hand as well. And then we've got 2, which is, let's see if we can spot where the 2s are. There's not many of these, so I'm not sure they're going to feature heavily, to be honest. And it's that obvious when you can't actually find where the 2s are. So let's have a little look up here. You've got just one random one there. There's one random one right up in that corner. And there's a couple here. So yeah, they're few and far between, the number 2s. Number 3 and number 4. So we've got some 4s, which is the blue. So basically in the swirly, kind of like a mandala pattern, not this bit, this mid blue. So this is where all the 4s are going, no, some of the 4s, sorry, because it goes 4 into F. So some of the 4s are up here. I've also got some of the 4s down here in her hairband. And then where are the 3s? So we've got some 3s in here. So those just seem to be dotted around in amongst her, in her hair, sorry. So that's going to be highlighting her hair, and also in kind of the mandala bits as well. So yeah, thank you very much, Diamond Art Club stroke Joanne's. Your mistake has very much made my day. As I said, I did try to reach out to I let them know, but I didn't get anywhere with it, so I kind of left it for a response from Joanne's after the third time, or third contact, twice with Diamond Art Club and then once with Joanne's. And I thought, well, I'm just going to accept it. And I could have kept my mouth shut, but do you know what? I'm honest, and that's why I tried to contact them to say, look, this is what's happened, and given them the opportunity to be able to return it. But since I hadn't heard back from Joanne's, I'm accepting it. So thank you very much. Here is my free Diamond Art Club kit. So thanks for joining me for today's video. If you've enjoyed the fact that I've got a free kit, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.